Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to stand. The aim of this video will be to get you from this to this. How to stand tutorial. In order to stand, we must first understand what standing is. Standing is when you're up on your hind legs like this. Standing involves a huge amount of pressure on the legs, so it may be very difficult to stand at first if you've not done it before, or you don't do it very often. Now those of you that don't stand up that much will tend to find yourself in a seated position, often like this. I'm a huge fan of sitting down. I tend to be seated for a good 23 hours a day. However, for that brief period of time, it is quite useful to stand up, particularly if you want to touch the ceiling, or if you notice a spider on the floor, and standing up can be a good way to get out of the danger zone. But whatever the reason, you are here to learn how to stand, so let's begin that now. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you start off in a seated position. I am in a seat, you can see that, but this seat, it swivels. It's not ideal for standing up on. So I'm going to need to crawl onto a different surface. Now I've noticed that there's a bed here, so I'm going to use that to help me stand. So I'm going to maneuver myself onto the bed like this. Again, we're not standing at the moment, we're just getting into a seated position that's good. So just work your way onto the seated bed like this. Now you may end up realising that you're in a worse position. I am in a worse position than when I started because I'm now lying down, but you have to force your way up. Use your surroundings, that's really important. So, oh, that hasn't helped. That way. So use your upper body strength, like this. And you should make your way to this seated position, just like that. Now from this position, you're going to want to put both of your legs onto the bed. So we'll just see if we can do that now. Like this. And then the other one. It's not easy. It's not easy to do this. Like that. So we've reached a seated position on the bed. And then we need to put both of our arms like this and then push up like that. Okay? And then you should be in this position. And then from here, what you want to do is to use all of your arm strength and to hoist yourself up. So we'll see if we can do that. Now as you've seen, it doesn't always work out the way you want it to, but that's why practice and perseverance comes in. You just have to keep trying. So we'll try again. So far you haven't used any of your leg abilities, it's all been in the arms, but here is when the legs come in. So what you want to do is kind of lean back like this, and then put one leg like that, put the other leg like this, and you should be in this kind of position. And then from here, you want to use both your arms and your legs and do this kind of action, and then just push up like this, just like that. And from here, you should now be standing. Congratulations, you are now standing. So as we've seen, standing on the bed is probably the best way of doing it, but if you don't have a bed to stand on, don't worry. You can use other things such as like the floor. You can use the floor if you want, but it's just not as effective as the bed, as we've seen. And that completes the tutorial of standing up. If you want to nominate me for the World Teaching Awards, then you can do. I welcome that. But please bear in mind that this award ceremony doesn't actually exist yet, so your vote may be invalid. Just something to bear in mind. I'm going to go now and practice other standing positions, so I'll catch you all later. See you. I'm standing here. That's really good. I'm going to see if I can stand in another position now. Wow, I'm standing all the way over here. I didn't think that was possible, but I've achieved it. Oh my goodness, I'm standing here. This is probably my biggest accomplishment. This is a difficult position to stand in, so I am proud of this. See you. I was thinking, if you don't actually want to stand up on your legs at all, you can always stand up on your arms. That is certainly a great alternative. So this is what you should be aiming for. So yeah, just stand up on the arms, as you do. It's not working as well as I thought it would. I've got a heavy body. That doesn't help. I might need to strengthen my arms somehow. They're not supporting me. Oh, one day I'll be standing on my arms. One day.